Have you ever heard of a whole community coming together to literally lift and move a house? It sounds incredible, right? But in the Philippines, this is the classic image of a beautiful tradition called Bayanihan. It's more than just a word. It's a powerful spirit of communal unity, helping one another without expecting anything in return. The term Bayanihan comes from the root word bayan, which means nation, town, or community. It embodies the idea that we are all part of something bigger than ourselves. The most famous example, of course, is that house moving scene. Imagine dozens of neighbors gathering, using bamboo poles to carry a neighbor's entire wooden hut to a new location. It is a breathtaking display of teamwork and a testament to the idea that many hands make light work. But Bayanihan isn't just about lifting houses. It's woven into the very fabric of Filipino daily life. You see it after a typhoon, when communities band together to clear debris, rebuild homes, and share whatever resources they have. Neighbors cook for each other. Strangers offer shelter, and volunteers from all over the country rush to affected areas. This isn't organized by a formal decree. It's a spontaneous outpouring of compassion. It's the instinct to help a kababayan, a fellow countryman, in their time of need. This spirit also shines during personal hardships. When a family faces a medical emergency, friends and neighbors will often pool their money, organize fundraisers, or simply offer their time and support. In the countryside, farmers still practice the form of Bayanihan during planting and harvest seasons, helping each other on their fields to ensure everyone's work gets done on time. It's a system built on trust and mutual support. But what about the modern world? Does Bayanihan still exist in bustling cities and in the age of the internet? Absolutely. It has simply evolved. Think of the community pantries that sprouted across the country during the pandemic. Someone would set up a small table with groceries and a simple sign. Take what you need, give what you can. This simple act of kindness sparked a nationwide movement, with thousands of similar pantries appearing almost overnight, all run by ordinary citizens wanting to help their neighbors get through tough times. Online, you can see Bayanihan in action through crowdfunding campaigns for medical bills or educational support. When news of a family in crisis spreads on social media, Filipinos here and abroad are quick to donate, share the post, and offer words of encouragement. It's the digital version of passing the hat around, a virtual community coming together to lift someone up. This modern Bayanihan proves that the spirit isn't tied to a physical location. It's an attitude, a deeply ingrained value. So, why is this spirit so strong in the Philippines? It's rooted in a culture that places a high value on kapwa, a concept that roughly translates to shared self or fellow being. It sees others not as separate individuals, but as part of oneself. When you help your neighbor, you are, in a sense, helping your extended self. This creates a powerful sense of empathy and responsibility for one another's well-being. It fosters a feeling of belonging and security, knowing that in times of trouble, you won't be left to face it alone. From the countryside to the city, from physical acts of labor to digital acts of kindness, Bayanihan is the invisible thread that connects the hearts of Filipinos. It's a reminder that the greatest strength of a community lies not in its wealth or power, but in its compassion and willingness to work together for the common good. It's a beautiful tradition that continues to inspire and give hope, proving that even the heaviest burdens can be carried when we lift them together. Thanks for watching. If you found this glimpse into Filipino culture inspiring, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more stories from around the world. See you next time!